In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your Edpuzzle subscription. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Here, I want you to click the Plan tab. Now, let me tell you very quickly that if you are using a free trial like me, okay, you won't see the cancel subscription option in this billing section. Now, you must upgrade first to a paid plan in order to cancel. For example, you wanted to upgrade to a pro teacher plan. Follow the on-screen instructions, and of course, once you are subscribed to a plan, obviously, if you go back again to your profile icon on the top corner, you should be able to see the cancellation option here. It's super simple. All right. Now, the question is, if you are having problems canceling your account, for example, the button is not working, you might want to go to the top right corner where you can see the question mark option. I want you to go to the help center and contact the Edpuzzle customer specialist because they are the ones that could help you troubleshoot your problem. For example, we are going to type in our question here. Of course, your role, for example, you're a teacher, description, that's going to be your account here. And once you click the submit button, one of the customer specialists here in Edpuzzle will give you troubleshooting steps on how to fix your problem if you encounter any issues along the way on canceling your Edpuzzle subscription. And again, basically that's it for today's video on how to cancel your Edpuzzle subscription. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.